Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. So today in this tutorial, I'm going to talk about how do you use Paysafecard. So let's get into the video. So as you may know, Paysafecard is actually a prepaid card, just like a credit card. You can use it to pay online with any of your purchases. So you can simply use the card and make any purchase online like how you normally do with a credit card. Okay, Play Safeguard is actually independent to your bank account, so it has nothing to do with your bank account. You can simply go to a store and then just buy a Play Safeguard or top up a Play Safeguard with just a cash. So with cash, you can just top up it with some balance, and then you can use it to make your online purchases. So it's simply as that. So if you go to the Play Safeguard website, and you will able to see some of these options like where. So if you want to like actually buy a card, so first you need a card, right? So if you want to buy a card, you can actually browse through their website. They have more details on how it works and everything. So you can also, like, if you click on buy option here, so you can see where you can get this card. You can also get it online, and or if you want to find, you can also find the outlets based on your location, wherever you're located. So you can find that out. And also if you want to spend it, you can also check the stores that are actually who are actually using or accept these Play Safeguard. For example, something like okay, so where can I use it? So if you, for example, if you click on it, then you see, for example, like some shops that would accept this card here. So all you have to do, once you purchase the card, you will be given with a card with a 16-digit PIN number, just like your credit card number. So that's what you will get it. So you just need that number to make purchases. So for example, if you want to make a purchase, for example, on a Steam account here. So let's say I'm paying something on a Steam account. So I'm making a purchase, and then I'm here on my payment page on a Steam purchase. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to simply uh, depending on your location, so you will see the pay safeguard option here, or else sometimes you will see prepaid wallet option here. So for me, it says prepaid wallet. I will just select that. All right, and then all I have to do now, so if you don't have you will either see a prepaid wallet option, or else a pay safeguard option. If you have the pay safeguard option, click on pay safeguard or else prepaid wallet. So what you have to do, just fill in all your billing information and then hit continue, and then you will be asked to enter that card number, which is that 16-digit number. Just plug that in and then hit on continue and complete your purchase. So you can just make your purchase through your Paysafecard. So that's pretty much it is. So you can basically use it as a credit card and do all your online purchases. So hope this video is helpful to you guys. I'll see you guys in another video. Thank you.